invaluable natural remedy for a myriad of ailments and diseases including indigestion, cold, flu, asthma, hypertension, high blood pressure, arthritis, diabetes, heart diseases, high cholesterol, depression and anxiety, inflammation of wounds and burns, eczema and acne. For curry recipes, but it is an extraordinary antibiotic with potent nervous system protecting capabilities and anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic, antiviral, antifungal, anti-tumor properties that destroy disease-causing bacteria and boost our body immunity, and yet do not have the negative effects on the intestinal microflora found in synthetic antibiotics. Turmeric, which is often compared with Chinese ginseng, possesses the renowned healing compound curcumin, which is a polyphenol identified as an essential bioactive ingredient in over 150 therapeutic activities. Curcumin is one of the most highly revered and studied spices in medical science, next to properly studied herbs and spices such as cinnamon, ginseng, garlic, and ginger. It has been reported that curcumin is more beneficial than many pharmaceutical drugs, such as anti-inflammatory drugs, antidepressants, painkillers, diabetes drugs, arthritis medications, cholesterol drugs, and steroids. Honey has the power to fight infections without creating resistant bacteria like modern antibiotics. It is so potent that it should be the first method to be used when fighting infections. Many scientists have claimed that honey is more powerful than most of the conventional antibiotics. Many of you must be very confused about using these wonderful items instead of your regular medicines. You should give it a try. Here is a simple recipe that you can use when you fall sick. Ingredients: 1/4 cup raw honey, 2 drops of lemon essential oil, and 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric. Instructions: mix all the ingredients together and stir well. Pour the mixture in a container with a lid and store in room temperature. Consume half teaspoon thrice a day. When mixed with honey, turmeric becomes an invaluable natural remedy for a myriad of ailments and diseases including indigestion, cold, flu, asthma, hypertension, high blood pressure, arthritis, diabetes, heart diseases, high cholesterol, depression and anxiety, inflammation of wounds and burns, eczema and acne.